Hello everybody, and today we're going to go do a few examples of truth tables and how to construct them. As you can see, for number one here we have statement P or R. So when making our truth tables we need to first label the columns. We have P, then R, and then our last column is P or R. Basically the first two columns we're listing all the possible values: true, true, false, false. Okay, R could be true, R could be false. R could be true here, and R could be false. So basically these are the possible combinations between two statements. True, they're both true, one's P's true, the second's false, first is false, the second's true, or they're both false. And if you have an or statement, a disjunction, only one of them needs to be true for the whole thing to be true. True, true, they're both true. True, false, only one of them's true, the whole statement's true. False or true, the whole thing's true. But if they're both false, the entire statement is false. For number two, similar situation here. This time P and Q. Here's P, here's Q, and then we have another column for not P. And then the final column is what the statement is sort of asking: not P or Q. Symbol for disjunction. Alright, we're going to list all the possibilities. They both could be true. They're true, it could be true, false. Could be false, true. And then finally they both could be false. Okay, this not P column, we basically go through the P column and then do the opposite of what we see. The first P column was true, true, false, false, so we're going to make this false, false, true, true. Okay, and then we're going to have the final statement, the not P or the Q column. So these two columns right here, and it's an or statement, only one of them needs to be true. True, false, the whole thing's true. False, false, the whole thing's false. True, true, we're true here. False, true, we are true. Alright, and then number three here, we have Q and R. Let's do a Q column, let's do an R column, and then a not R column. Alright, the final statement is Q or not R. Okay, the possibilities are true, 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 false, false, true, or false, false. Alright, not R, we just go through the R column and do the opposite of what we see. False, true, false, true. The statement is asking for Q and not R, so that's our first column and our last column here, or third column, and it's an and statement. This is a symbol for conjunction. For the whole statement to be true, they both must be true. So for the first one, true, false, that's false. True, then true, that's true. False and false, that's false. And then false and true, that is false. Alright, so and that's the setup for the rest of these. I'll just label the columns and then you can try these. Here on number 4 we have P and R. There's a P column, an R column. We need a not P column and a not R column. And then we top it all off with not P or not R. Alright, similar over number 5. We have, this one's going to take a little longer though. We have P, we have Q, we have R. We have to have a column for P and R. And then we top it all off with the P and R column, and then or Q. And there you go.